Welcome to Gentech, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note, installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA ASA/NZS 3500 standards and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code Water Quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentech products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts are included. Apply adequate amount of thread tape. Attach the concentric wall fittings to the threads. Tighten them against the wall using an Allen key. Try to set them 215 mm apart. You can adjust this distance if needed. First, check the alignment using the tap body. Then, remove the tap body and attach both flanges in position. Replace the tap body and tighten the 4 grub screws to ensure it's firmly attached. Attach the handles to the cartridge splines and adjust them to your preferred position. Fasten the handles with the flat washer, spring washer and screws provided. Attach the appropriate coloured button according to the requirement. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentech on +612 93194 422 or email at info@gentechaustralia.com.au.